So, I am sitting in my dorm room at National University last week, trying to finish an economics assignment, and I noticed something weird on my laptop screen. My Chrome browser just popped up a notification saying I earned 12 bucks while doing my homework. Now, before you click away thinking this is another get rich quick video, it's not. I am Bisho and I run a digital marketing agency called MaxB Marketing, and I have been spent the last 5 years failing, learning, and actually figuring out what works in making money online. And today I am going to show you 5 Chrome extensions that genuinely pay you money. Not life-changing money overnight, but it's real, consistent income, but that adds up. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which extension to install, how much you can realistically expect it to earn, and the specific strategies I use to maximize each earn. And I am going to be brutally honest about which earns are worth your time and which earns are not. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the extension, I need to set a realistic expectations. Back in December 2021, I started on my online business journey after watching a Make Money with mobile video during COVID lockdown. I was 18, had zero experience, and honestly, I wasted 6 months chasing service and shady CPA offers that promised $500 a day. They were all lies. What I learned the hard way is that legitimate online income, whether it's $500 to $5,000 a month, comes from constant system, not magic buttons. Those Chrome extensions, they are part of a system. Install all 5, use them strategically, and you are seriously looking at $100 to $300 per month in passive income. Not enough to quit your job, but enough to cover your phone bill, maybe streaming subscription or 2. The beauty is, and is the key, you are already using Chrome and you are already browsing to web. Those extensions just monetize behaviors you are doing anyway. Alright, so let's break it down. Is the deal. Honey automatically finds and applies coupon codes when you shop online, and it pays you cash back through their rewards program called Honey Gold. I have been using Honey since 2022, and in 2025 alone, I earned $214 is cash back. That's about $20 per month, and I don't change any shopping habits. I bought this and I was already buying hosting for my websites, Facebook ads for client campaigns, even a new microphone for content creation. Here's the strategy most people miss. Honey works best when you are combine it with shopping portals. So before I make any business purchase over $50, I check 3 things. Is there better deals on Honey own shopping portal? Can I stock this with a credit card that gives cash back? I am buying during a non-sale period. Last month, I bought a similar subscription. Honey found a 15% coupon. I don't know exit. Plus, I earned Honey Gold on top. Total saving $68. The honest truth, you won't get rich with Honey, but if you are running on all businesses, buying domains, tools, software, and ads, that adds a cost. And here's the thing, it's completely passive. Install it once, forget about it, collect money quarterly. Quick story, remember how I monetized? I worked as a mechanic back in 2018. One thing I learned there, small leaks shake big ships. A tiny oil leak ignored over months, engine destroyed. Same principle here. Small cash back opportunities ignored over a year, you have lost hundreds of dollars. Don't ignore on the small wins. The deal, Rakuten pays you cash back for shopping at over 3,500 stores. Unlike Honey, Rakuten pays actual cash, not points, directly to your PayPal or via check every quarter. Real numbers, in 2025, I made $212 through Rakuten. My biggest single cashback was $14 from a Shopify annual plan purchase. But here's what interesting. 60% of my earning come from purchases I made for clients, buying stock photos, design tools, even office supplies for the agency. The essence nobody tells about. If you are a freelancer, consultant, or agency owner, here's the gold mine. Route client purchases through Rakuten when possible. I am not talking about being steady. I mean when a client needs Facebook ads run and you're managing their account, buy through Rakuten's portal first, you get cash back. Clients get the service they paid for, everyone wins. I did this for a client, $18 Google Ads spent last quarter. Made $32 in cash back just for clicking through Rakuten first. Combining extension, here's the power move. Use Rakuten and Honey together. Same stores work better with than another. Always check the both before checkout. Then an extra 15 seconds, but I found deals where Honey found a better coupon code, but Rakuten offered higher cashback persistence. If you want both working for you, reality check. Rakuten requires you to actually spend money to make money. If you're not buying anything, you won't earn anything. That is not free money, it's smart money. It rewards existing behavior. The deal, Swagbucks rewards for you searching the web watching videos, and shopping online. Their Chrome extension tracks your activity and rewards SB points. Convertible to PayPal, cash, or gift cards. Real numbers. I earned 150 bucks in 2025 through Swagbucks. That's about 13 bucks per month. Not impressive at first glance. But here's the breakdown. 89 bucks come from shopping similar to Honey and Rakuten, but 67 bucks come from just searching Google. The realistic approach, let me be straight with you, those was videos for money. Features. Waste of time? The real value is their activities web searches. You are searching away. Use their extension, collect points passively, shopping product before buying anything, check it. That store is on Swagbucks. Often different than returns list. Special offers once a month. They have 10x point days. I set a calendar reminder to do any planet purchase. Then my personal hack. I am a digital marketer, so I do a lot of computer research. I am constantly Googling shape, checking keywords, analyzing competitors, and researching niche. Swagbucks just sit in the background collecting points while I work. There are the 67 earned for doing my actual job. When it's not worth it, if you are installing this thinking your world's videos all to make money, don't better. The hourly rate works out the maybe 2 to 3 per hour. That's the tribal, but it's the basic background earn of what you do, think you are do anyway. Absolutely worth it? Drop a comment below which of those 3 extensions have you tried. Did you actually make money or did I miss something in my strategy? I read every comment. Capital on shopping. For me, quick buy. Automatic compares price across multiple retailers and finds you the best deal, plus they offer cashback rewards on purchase. Why I almost don't include this? Honestly, Capital on shopping overlaps heavily with Honey and Rakuten, but here's why it made the list. Their price comparison feature is unmatched. When I am buying tech or tools for my businesses, that extension checks 30 plus retailers simultaneously and tells me who has the lowest price. Last year, I saved 334 bucks through better price discovery and earned 89 in direct cashback. The savings are not earning, but money saved is money earned. The unique use case, when this Chinese is big ticket purchase, last September I needed a new laptop for video editing. I found on Amazon for 1,247 bucks. Capital on shopping found the exact same model on a Walmart site for 1,119 bucks, saved 128 in literally 10 seconds. For similar purchase under 30 bucks, probably not worth the comparison time, but for anything over 100 bucks, especially tech, furniture, and business equipment, it is the essential. The tech strategy, here's the what I do for any purchase over 200 bucks. Find the product I went, left Capital on shopping, found the cheapest retailer, check this off, the retailer is on now, Rakuten or Honey route through, whatever offers better cashback, complete purchase. That's a 5-step process has saved me over 500 bucks in last year alone. The deal? PCA's rewards use searching for the web. Every search is the entry into daily price drawing. And you earn tokens removal the real price as and cash. The controversial truth, I double include this on because the earning is unpredictable. I've been used it for 18 months and won 10 twice. That's it. But here's why it still made the last. Zero effort. The extension runs in the background and you search like normal. Every search is lottery ticket. Most people win nothing, but the opportunity cost is literally zero. You are searching anyway. My perspective, I treat the PCAs like buying a lottery ticket. Expect the ticket is free. I don't expect to win, but if I do, awesome bonus. Don't install this expecting income. Install it's a maybe someday passive lottery. The better strategy, combine PCAs with Swagbucks, both reverse searching. You are doing on action getting credit twice. Tiny option, but over a year, it adds up real tell. If you are only going to install on extension from this video, don't make it PCAs. Go with Honey or Rakuten, they have generated returns. PCAs is just a cherry on top. Alright, so let's bring this home. Those 5 extensions, Honey, Rakuten, Swagbucks, Capital on shopping, and PCAs are not going to replace your income. Let's be clear about that, but they will generate 100 to 300 bucks per month in passive cash back and rewards if you use them strategically. I have been doing online business since December 3rd, 2021. I have failed at surveys, failed at shady CPA marketing, even launched a wild project called Wild CPA that completely bombarded. What I learned from all those failures is this: sustainable online incomes comes from the system, not shortcuts. Those extensions are the part of a system. They monetize wherever you are already doing. Your action step right now, install Honey and Rakuten immediately. Those two alone will cover 80% of your potential earning. And Swagbucks, if you do a lot of web research or computer analysis, install capital on shopping if you make a business purchase or buy tech equally. PCS is optional, treat it as a free lottery ticket, nothing more. The bigger lesson, back when I was working as a mechanic in 2018, I learned that every small compliment matters. Ignore on bold and on while earning fails. Same with online income. Those extensions are small compliments individually, maybe not impressive, but combined with after marketing, issue and communication and freelancing, they are part of the bigger engine that generates real income. My challenge to you: install those extensions this week, track your earning for 90 days, then come back to this video and comment your result. I am genuinely curious about if your numbers match mine, or if you find even better strategies, and if you are serious about building online business, why not just browse extension? If you want to learn affiliate marketing, SEO, and how to actually build a sustainable online business, I share everything I learned on this channel. Subscribe because every week I am breaking down real strategies, real failures, and real wins. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show you this is to more people who need it. Drop a comment which extension are you installing first, and subscribe because I have been got more honest driven content coming every single week. I am Bisho and I will see you in the next one. Bye.